What's up YouTubers, this is Chaitanya and welcome to my channel Nature Design. And in this bowl today we are going to make a mysterious waterfall, and I have already attached the fiber to the bowl, and now it's time to just divide the bowl into two pieces with the help of this fiber sheet, which I have already cut into the size of the bowl. I have already marked the places where I want to create some holes so that the water can pass through it, and just in case there should be no any debris passing through the holes, that's the reason I'm going to attach mesh with the help of the silicone, which I just did. You can see it, and now the water can pass through it. Now you can see that I am attaching the lava rocks to the fiber, which I have already attached to the bowl with the help of silicone. Here you can see that I have left some places at the back for the plantation purpose. These are the skull or the skeleton heads which I have made using cement, and I have drilled a hole through the mouth of the bigger skull, and I have already attached a tubing through it, and now I'm going to color the skull. For coloring I'm using acrylic color, and the base color I'm using is a black color. The eyes and the mouth of the skull has been kept black so that it can be properly visible, and I'm going to color the rest of the skull with the help of a mixture of white and black color and give it a stony gray look. And this is how it looks after the color has been given. Now I am just hiding the rest of the fiber with the help of the lava stone. Now it's done. I have filled up the gaps with the help of black sand, and this is how it looks after it's been done. I have attached fiber to the back of the bowl to fill it with substrate and do some plantation. Here is the gap where I have kept the 12-volt DC water pump, and I have already attached the pump to the AC to the DC converter. These are the aquarium filter pads which I'm going to place uh, in the bottom where I'm going to do the plantation. So the bottom layer will be aquarium filter pads. After placing the filter pads, I am placing Lika clay balls. This will be the next layer. If we don't place the filter pads, the aquarium filter pads at the bottom, the substrate may go down and clog the water pump. I by mistake placed the dry moss first, cause the next layer was supposed to be cotton fiber, so I removed the moss and I'm placing the next layer above the Lika clay balls, that is the cotton fiber. And above cotton fiber I am placing dry moss, that is dry sphagnum moss. And now it's time to place some plants in it, and this is a red Fittonia grass plant, seed box plant, and some java moss. Now I am placing the substrate. The substrate consists of dry moss and sand or soil, and I have already placed the moss below that. This is Fittonia, the red Fittonia. The next plant is the seed box plant. Here you can see I am placing small size of Lika clay balls on the top of the substrate. This will look good. This is the grass plant. I don't know the exact name of this plant, but this is what the nursery guide told me the name of this plant. And finally I am placing the Christmas moss. I don't have to attach it to anything because the lava rock is porous and it will get hold of it in few days. Now I am sprinkling some water. I am watering the plants, and it's time to fill up the bowl and test the water pump. And let's test the water pump. And here we go. So that's it, folks. We are done with it. I hope you like the video. I think this is looking really great, and you have always seen me making some terrariums, and this was a very unique project again. And I think this is looking really mysterious and great. The water is coming through the mouth of the skeleton, and this is such a mysterious thing to see. Hope you guys like this video. I also added some floating plants to the puddle that is in the front of the waterfall. And please let me know in the comment box what do you think about it, and if you do like it, please give it a thumbs up, and please do go ahead and share my videos. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can go ahead and just subscribe it. This is the right time to subscribe my channel and support it. This is the only way you can support it. I added some fake birds to the waterfall later on, and I do have the clip of it, so sit back and enjoy the waterfall. That's it for today. See you next week. Bye bye and peace.